Alright, me I say in God me put my trust. You see what me I say? Straight. In God I put my trust. You see me? We now think and worry about the vampires we don't like it. But let's go and read the Psalms and pray to my God. You see what me I say? Happy holiday to all the doctors and nurses and police and soldiers and me I say all of the garrison area them, all of the dan them, the one dan them, all of the artists them we I try out there. Yeah, happy holiday to every company, every staff. You see what I say? Every boss we look after them workers all the time. Not just at Christmas time. You see what I say? Up to the time. Bless up, happy holiday to honor. You see what I say? Straight. Happy holiday to my mother, my father, my sister, my brother. You see what I say? Yeah man. Happy holiday to the 14 parishes of Jamaica. Straight. Yeah man, it might not hard for me out here. Yes, Jamaicans, but we can hold it, put God first. We can go through the worst if we just make up our mind. You see me, and work with God. You will see how far we reach. Straight. Yeah man, just go and hold the peace, you know. Yeah, because peace we want and love. You see me, stay away from the bloodsuckers them. And the people them I want to see you dead. And I don't want to see you reach nowhere. Stay away from those people. That's what I say. Bless up and go and enjoy the rest of the year. You see me? Happy holiday again, a blessed 2018 to one and all. You see me, I say the one dancehall. I mean, happy holiday to the world boss. Vybz Kartel, yeah man, him are the dancehall president, the dancehall prince. You see me I say straight. Up to the time, Buju Bantan Ninja man, you don't know. Happy holiday, straight. Yeah man. We there look and learn. You see me I say, yeah man. I will not look off I Savior, straight.